Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. This is Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting my this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In my previous session, I started teaching you the clause and the complex sentences. I taught you about what is a clause and how many types of clauses are there. Today we will discuss on the sentences in which subordinate clauses are used. Before this, we have to know due to use of which conjunctions subordinate clauses are formed. So, friends, here I have tried to write down as many subordinating conjunctions with which if the clauses start, they are called subordinate clauses. These are the subordinating conjunctions, and if with these conjunctions clauses start, they are known as subordinate clauses. In the list of subordinating conjunctions, I have written the conjunctions as if, as though, as far as, after, according as soon as, before, although, because, how, if, lest, provided that, since, so that, than, though, till, until, unless, who, which, what, whom, whose, whatever, wherever, etc. So, friends, students have to learn at least these many conjunctions with which if clauses start, they are known as subordinate clauses. अर्थात विद्यार्थियों को कम से कम इतना कंजंक्शंस याद रखना होता है जिनसे यदि क्लॉजेज स्टार्ट होंगे तो वे सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेज कहलाएंगे. नाउ टेक इट्स स्क्रीनशॉट. फ्रेंड्स, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विथ यू types of conjunctions. Friends, there are two types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Friends, I have already discussed with you that conjunctions are of two types: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, and thereafter I have discussed with you that if a coordinating conjunction is used to join together two or more than two principal clauses or independent clauses, that sentence is called a compound sentence. अर्थात यदि दो या दो से अधिक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेज को जोड़ने के लिए यदि किसी कंजंक्शन का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो उस कंजंक्शन को हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन कहते हैं, और उस वाक्य को, जिस वाक्य में कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन का प्रयोग दो या दो से अधिक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेज को जोड़ने के लिए किया जाता है, उसे हम लोग कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहते हैं. एक बार फिर से मैं रिपीट करूंगा. यदि किसी वाक्य में दो या दो से अधिक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेज को जोड़ने के लिए किसी कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो हम उस वाक्य को कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहते हैं. When we are talking about a compound sentence, we should know that there will be a coordinating conjunction to join two or more than two independent clauses. There will be no subordinate clause in that sentence. Before I go to rub the board, you should take its screenshot. For example, I am reading but you are playing. मैं पढ़ रहा हूं लेकिन तुम खेल रहे हो. Here I am reading, you are playing. both are independent clauses, and these two independent clauses have been joined together by the coordinating conjunction but. So this sentence is a compound sentence. So it is very easy to classify sentences into compound sentences and complex sentences. I will just discuss with you what type of sentences will be complex sentences. But before understanding complex sentences, it is necessary for us to understand compound sentences. And the range of compound sentences is not very big like complex sentences. Friends, in the first example, but is used to show contradiction because there is contradiction between the two actions, reading and playing. Reading is considered a positive action, and at the time of reading, if someone is playing, it is considered a negative action. अर्थात पढ़ने के समय यदि कोई पढ़ रहा है तो वह पॉजिटिव एक्शन कर रहा है, और पढ़ने के समय यदि कोई खेल रहा है तो वह निगेटिव एक्शन कर रहा है. तो दोनों के बीच कंट्राडिक्शन होता है. देयर इज कंट्राडिक्शन बिटवीन रीडिंग एंड प्लेइंग. सो टू शो कंट्राडिक्शन वी यूज बट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he is laborious but poor. He is laborious but he is poor, और he is laborious but poor. मतलब वह मेहनती है लेकिन गरीब है. जैसे कि मेहनत करके पैसा कमाया जा सकता है. बाय लेबरिंग हार्ड मनी कैन बी अर्नड, बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ लेबरिंग हार्ड समवन इज पुअर. देन वी हैव टू शो कंट्राडिक्शन हियर बाय यूजिंग बट. We can take many more examples, including the conjunctions that join two or more than two independent clauses, and such sentences will be compound sentences. I have taken one more example in which I have showed similar types of actions. There is no contradiction between the two actions. In this sentence, Ram is batting and Shyam is bowling. राम बैटिंग कर रहा है यानी बल्ला चला रहा है, और श्याम बॉल फेंक रहा है. Here both the actions are related to the same sports, same game, that is cricket. In the game of cricket, a person is batting and the other person is, some other person is bowling. A person bats and some other person bowls. So this type of sentences are also compound sentences because Ram is batting, Shyam is bowling. Both the parts of sentences are combined together by the conjunction and. Here Ram is batting is also an independent clause, and Shyam is bowling is also an independent clause. In the second example, Ram is batting and Shyam is bowling. The two parts of the sentence, Ram is batting and Shyam is bowling, both are independent clauses because they do not depend on each other for the completion of their meaning and for the existence in the sentence. And both the parts of the sentences are coordinate clauses and joined together by the coordinating conjunction and. So this sentence is also a compound sentence. Now you can take its screenshot. Friends, now I am going to discuss with you about a complex sentence. Friends, as the definition of a complex sentence, I have written on the board: if a principal clause and a subordinate clause is joined together with a subordinating conjunction, the sentence thus formed is called a complex sentence. अर्थात यदि एक प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज और एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को एक सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन की सहायता से जोड़ा जाता है तो इस प्रकार जो वाक्य बनता है उसे हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहते हैं. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड विथ यू a number of subordinating conjunctions with which if clauses start are known as subordinate clauses, and if any sentence contains a principal clause and a subordinate clause, that sentence is called a complex sentence. अर्थात यदि किसी वाक्य में एक प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज हो और एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हो तो हम लोग वैसे वाक्य को कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहते हैं. जैसे आई नो दैट यू आर अ थीफ. आई नो दैट यू आर अ थीफ, मैं जानता हूं कि तुम एक चोर हो. तो इस वाक्य में आई नो प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज कहलाएगा, दैट सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन, और that you are a thief subordinate clause, and the sentence thus formed, I know that you are a thief, is a complex sentence. Then friends, you must have understood what is a compound sentence and what is a complex sentence. If you have any doubt or any difficulty in understanding what is a compound sentence and what is a complex sentence, you can ask me through comments and I will make it clear by giving more and more examples. And if you like my this session, if you like my this video, don't forget to like it, comment it and share it to your friends, and also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.